Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can join our free online tutorials for the forthcoming JAMB 2021 exams. Okay, so if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials, an educational channel that supports students preparing for JAMB, post-UME, WAEC, NECO, GCE, name it, with free videos on maths, physics, English, and by God's grace soon enough chemistry and some biology. Okay, so if this is your first time, please make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are instantly notified whenever we upload an educational video for you. Okay, so we are here for you to make sure you pass your exam. We've been here since 2017 and we're going to be here with you in 2021. Okay, so before I show you how you can join the free online tutorial, let me quickly show you some videos that can help you quickly. Okay, I'm going to pause this. Quickly kickstart your reading. Okay, that's for your JAMB exams. Now, if you are still preparing for your post-UME, that's for candidates that start for the JAMB 2020. These are some post-UME or some schools that would help you. Okay, now here for your forthcoming JAMB 2021 exams, to kickstart your reading, these are some past questions I have solved completely. Okay, this is physics, this is for maths, there's also this is also physics 2017. So if you watch these videos, it's going to motivate you and encourage you to continue studying. And also I've received several questions on what's the forthcoming JAMB 2021 syllabus. You can first of all start, it's not released yet, but you can start with the JAMB 2020 syllabus to help guide you in your study, which is on the DTW Tutorials website. That's www.dtwtutorials.com. check there. You can download the JAMB 2020 syllabus to help you to guide you in preparing for the forthcoming JAMB 2021. Okay, because the differences might just be a little, but it's quite close. All right, so how do you now join the JAMB free online tutorials? Okay, so all you need to do is go to Facebook. The tutorials this year will be on Facebook and not on WhatsApp. Okay, I tried doing WhatsApp last year for free, but a lot of students abuse that, so I'm not going to do it. All right, so it's going to be on Facebook totally completely this year. So go, I'm going to leave the link of the Facebook group, okay, in the video description box of this video, or if you're on Facebook, you can just search this DTW Students Forum. You can see the Students Forum, okay, and join and also invite your friends. Okay, we already have up to 1,800 students. We started this group last year, 2029, to help the 2020 students. And if you've not watched, I think, is it the last video I showed of okay, on the tips on how to start? I think you need to watch that video. How to score above 300. Yeah, that's the video, sorry. How to score above 300 in JAMB. A student that's watched DTW tutorials scored 314 or 319 in JAMB, some 299. So you can watch that video and see the testimony. So just make sure you join this group, watch the videos. You don't need to start depending on malpractice. You can do it. Don't be scared. You need to watch that video so you kill every fear. That video is going to help you how to score above 300 in JAMB. Please do watch that video. Okay, so please do join the group. We're going to start the tutorials 1st of December 2020. We're not waiting till January. Okay, 1st of December 2020 is the free online tutorials will start on the group. And every there's going to be a timetable, and every day for the topics there will be several questions. JAMB, focusing on JAMB right now, then before we're going on to WAEC. Okay, so several questions on each topics will be solved, will be shared on the group. You give your answers, and once you're done, corrections will also be made, okay, by providing the right answers to those questions. So it's to help you prepare for your exam. So make sure you join the group and also invite your friends. All right, so thank you from DTW Tutorials. All right, and don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, for he is the way, he is the truth, and he is the life, and it's the one who will lead you to life everlasting, which is heaven at last. All right, so thank you. And for us from DTW Tutorials, you are destined to win in your forthcoming JAMB 2021 examination. All right, you are blessed. See you in our next video.